We've come up with a little thing we kind of thrown together here for the Garmin Livescope, and so far it's worked out pretty good. So I'm gonna break this down for you guys. We've started with a Mighty Mount 1.5 inch ram ball mount to the H rail, and to the 1.5 ram arm, into another 1.5 ball that's attached to a Lowrance fish finder mount, and then we threw an extension arm in, an 8 inch. And this is the end of the Lowrance head unit mount right here. So we've taken this mount that originally comes up here, moved it down here, put it in between the extension arm, mounted the Livescope transducer. And so what we have now is you can simply press this button in, it'll drop it down, and you can rotate it. And once you got it rotated in whatever position, simply lift it up, lock it in, and then if you want to take the unit off, you can simply do the second button, unlock it, lock it back in. You also have the adjustability here in the arm to bring it up and out of the way. So that's a little something we come together with today. Just wanted to share that idea with you guys and see what y'all think.